Today we'll learn how to use object masking in Premiere Beta so you can isolate and track a subject easily. First, make sure you're on the beta version of Premiere that supports automatic object masking. Then, open your clip in the timeline. Pick the Object Mask tool from the toolbar and hover over your program monitor. You'll see objects or people highlighted automatically. Just click on one you want to isolate. If the plus icon is selected, you can choose multiple objects to add into the same mask. If the minus icon is selected, you can select those objects to remove them from the mask. You can also draw a rough rectangle or lasso around your subject to add it to the mask. Just make sure your plus icon is selected. Depending on the colors in your video, it may be helpful to change the overlay color of the mask to make it easier to see. You can control tracking in the Effect Controls panel. After it's tracked, you can refine the mask by adjusting feathering, expansion, opacity, or invert the mask if needed. And remember, mask data is saved externally in a masks folder beside your project file, so if you move your project, bring that mask folder too. We hope this helps.